up, B? It's the Buzz Buddy. Hey, I'm here to make your day. Put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet. Be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Buzz Buddy! Blazing star, it's so amazing. It's something all the pollinators are praising. It's a perennial that likes the sun. And for the birds and butterflies and bees, it's the loved one. A perennial blooms year after year. And native plants need less care. Only in the first year you must raise a finger hair. Ooh, even after the perennials wither away, don't prune their leaves and twigs because they're gray. Hibernating insects need food and shelter, so these plants are here to stay. Prune them back in spring when it's warm and new shoots come. So get out there and shine your bum in the sun. Its scientific name is Leatris, and for a pollinator friends it's the Swiss. Yeah, I'm talking chocolate. Cheese. Give me some, please. Blazing star, it's so amazing. It's something all the pollinators are praising. It left the soil dry, but it won't exist without the butterflies. It's gonna make me cry. This plant, the pollinators, and us, we will die. Blazing star, it's so amazing. It's something all the pollinators are praising. This plant gets a lot of butterflies, and without them we wouldn't have fruit to feed, because nobody cared to plant this seed. You see, butterflies are pollinators, and they're great operators of propagation, because they do pollination, so stop spraying chemicals. Plant this plant, it will take you very far, because it is a blazing star. It's so amazing. It's something all the pollinators are praising. Oh yeah!